Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. Today, we're diving into a luxurious skincare experience with La Mer The Hydrating Facial Masks for Unisex 6-piece kit. This set promises to bring the rejuvenating, spa-like hydration that La Mer is known for, and we're going to see if it lives up to that claim. La Mer is synonymous with high-end skincare, and this facial mask kit is no exception. It's designed to provide deep hydration using the brand's signature ferments to infuse your skin with nutrients. Each of the 6 masks aims to refresh even the driest of complexions, revitalizing the skin and leaving it visibly transformed. If you're looking for something to reawaken your skin's youth and glow, this might be your answer. The set comes with 6 individual masks, each packed with La Mer's unique blend of ingredients. One of the key players here is the Miracle Broth, a signature ingredient that's known for its ability to soothe, hydrate, and restore the skin. The kit promises to saturate your skin with hydration, enhancing the overall appearance of your complexion by revitalizing dry, stressed skin. I tried this kit over several weeks to get a solid sense of its effectiveness. First off, the experience itself is luxurious. The texture of the mask is smooth and rich, almost like a thick gel. Applying it felt like a mini spa session, very calming and soothing, which is what you'd expect from a high-end product like this. The scent is subtle but very fresh, without being overpowering. Now let's get into the real-world usage. Each mask is generously coated, so there's enough to cover the face comfortably without having to worry about running out too soon. It's easy to apply and sits well on the skin without sliding off. I typically use it in the evening, allowing it to sit for the recommended 10 to 15 minutes while I unwind. When I removed the mask, my skin felt deeply hydrated, and the tightness and dryness I usually get in colder months seemed to diminish. In terms of performance, I noticed an immediate improvement in the softness of my skin. After using it regularly, my complexion looked fresher and more luminous, and fine lines seemed a bit less noticeable, especially around my forehead and eyes. That said, while it's effective for short-term hydration, I didn't see dramatic long-term changes in terms of skin texture or tone. It's certainly a great boost for dull, tired skin, but it might not provide the same transformational results you'd expect from a more intensive, targeted treatment. On the pro side, the mask delivers on its promise of intense hydration. My skin felt plumper and deeply nourished after each use, and I loved how smooth and soft it felt. The kit is easy to use, and the results are immediately noticeable in terms of glow and moisturization. The design is also quite sleek and elegant, perfect for a bit of indulgence when you need it most. On the flip side, it's hard to ignore the price. La Mer products tend to come with a hefty price tag, and while the mask is a luxurious experience, it's not exactly budget-friendly. For those on a tighter budget, there are other hydrating masks on the market that offer similar benefits at a fraction of the cost. Also, while it's great for a hydration boost, I wouldn't say it's a miracle worker in terms of anti-aging or major skin repairs. As for value for money, this kit certainly provides high-quality ingredients and an indulgent experience, but it may not justify the price for everyone. If you're looking for a little luxury in your skincare routine and are willing to invest, it's a solid choice. But if you're after something more practical for regular use, you might want to explore alternatives. In terms of alternatives, there are some excellent hydrating masks that give a similar level of moisture without the luxury price. Products like Fresh Rose Face Mask or Origin's Drink Up Intensive Overnight Mask can provide comparable hydration and nourishment at a lower price point. To sum it up, La Mer The Hydrating Facial Masks for Unisex 6-piece kit offers a high-end, soothing experience with noticeable results in terms of hydration and skin softness. If you're looking for a luxurious treat for your skin, this kit definitely delivers. However, it's not for everyone, especially if you're concerned about the cost. It's perfect for those who love pampering their skin or need a deep hydration boost, but not a must-have for someone on a budget. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us continue bringing you honest, detailed reviews like this one. Thank you for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.